guys, so today is going to be my top box versus top box. They are obviously both in the boxes this month, and one is definitely heavier than the other one. So, alright, before we get right into these top boxes, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out, so you don't miss any of these fun unboxing boxes videos. Yep, that's okay.
To the year 2040, to the year 2040, to the year 2040, to the year 2040. Of course I said that.
Alright, so jumping into this one here, this is the one that has my name on it, and I actually got a privy box again this month, and I already know what's in it because, well, they sent me an email, honestly. So here it says, congratulations, you are you're a receiver of a top box privy box. And this month is this. If you guys did not watch my last month one, then you would not know that I already have another one of these, but this is the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer in Biscuit, and it's like a medium dark concealer. I got the privy box last week and last month, and this is exactly the same thing that I got from my other privy box. I realize that that's probably an excessive amount of concealer, but I actually love this concealer. I wear it all the time, and I'm wearing it today, and I like to wear it without wearing foundation and stuff, so this is like this perfect color match, so I don't have to blend it into foundation. I could just put it on, put some powder on, and call it a day. So when Top Box sent me an email saying that they were having another privy box with, so you go scroll through, so I scrolled through and I saw that this was up again for a privy box, so I clicked on it, and I'm excited that I got it again. So this will be a backup, so I'm not going to open it up and show you because I don't want to open it, but that's what the color is. So then this is the other one, so let's just jump right into this, and I am seeing some interesting stuff. Oh shoot, as everything falls out on me. So we get the top box in here. There is no coupons in it this month, so that's a little bit interesting. So I'm just going to I'm going to grab the smaller items in here first because they're just falling all over the place. So this is a Smashbox Superfan mascara. This is not the first time I have gotten one of these in my top boxes. I already have, I think, a few Smashbox miniature mascaras, so there is that. I haven't even used the other ones yet, so I'm not actually going to open this, and I'm just going to either give it away to somebody or just put it in my extras for now. And then up next is this Clarions Extra Firming Night. I think it's French. This is a wrinkle control regenerative night cream, so I don't hate that. Not that I have any wrinkles yet, but it smells like a night cream, and it's nice, and it's a night cream, honestly. Oh, it actually has a very like perfumey smell, so that I hope will go away. So this is a 15 milliliter size, so that's not too bad, but I can kind of see through the light, and it kind of like only has this much product in it, so that is a sample size for sure. Up next is this, and this is exciting. I have seen one other mask from Purlisse, and it was a different one. It had watermelon in, which I would have really enjoyed, but this one's great too. So this is the Purlisse Lotus and Seaweed mask, and this is for intense moisture, so I can't hate that because I need lots of moisture. This is obviously a full-size product because it's a sheet mask, so then I'll go with this one. So this is from Dirty Little Secrets, and this is a cream lipstick. So this is in the color Tutu, and this is what it looks like. So this, I really like the cute little dots on it. I have not actually worn any lipstick from Dirty Little Secret because I only have it. It doesn't smell that great, but it smells like lipstick, other than, you know, it's okay. So that is what the color looks like. That'll be really cute for the summer. And because I just got a Dirty Little Secrets lip liner in my top box that is a quite light nude, that probably look really cute together. So, and that is a full-size product as well, so that's pretty awesome. I don't think that this is gonna matte down at all. It doesn't say that it's a matte, it's a cream lipstick, so that might be really nice in the summer. Probably won't dry your lips out or anything. So lastly in this top box is this here, and this on the says that it's a complimentary sample, so this is a big sample. But let's just, that's kind of a, honestly, that's a waste. Why would you put a box in a box? Whatever, okay. It's just me. It's a good thing we have recycling in Canada. So this is the Intuition 4-blade lather and shave sensitive care. It's obviously a shaver, guys. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. I have never tried this one before. This is really big in here. So there is aloe and vitamin E in the blade area, which is what kind of suds up, I think. Oh, and it has 2 razors in it. So not only does it have the one that it comes with, there's an extra razor in there. So that's pretty awesome for a sample, because usually these are like $14 to like $20 depending on where you buy them in Canada. So that is a awesome sample. And then we got a free full-size one of these and one of these. So that is awesome. So this month, my top box versus top box, I think I have to say this, even though I absolutely love the NARS one. Obviously, I picked this because I really wanted it. This top box right here, definitely won out this month. Right, if you guys want to see me do a look with any of these things, or like a look on all my top box stuff that I've gotten so far, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can make a video for you guys. That was everything in these 2 top boxes for June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! This month it is Boxy Getaway, which is really cute. I like all the summery vibes in this. So this is what my box looks like inside. So it does look like I did not get the face wash, which I am ecstatic about. And my variation is number 5, so that's pretty cool.